Hello. Okay, here is a step-by-step guide to accessing course reports, course action plans. Yeah. All right. So here's the address that you use. Takes you to the SharePoint, and then for the FCI Quality Assurance and Enhancement team. So you will be met with this kind of interface. The ones for us to focus on are the course report here and the course action plan here. Now, they may flip around a bit and look a bit different because there may be a few added or taken away, but they're the kind of key ones. So this is what your course report will look like. Now, when you filter out who you are and focus on it, and you've seen that in my other video, this is the kind of main thing it will see. So what I'd like you to do is to click the pencil so you can edit the contextual statement here. And you can see that this person's created an update every year. And you're probably, what we're looking at for is kind of one for every month with a larger one at the end of the academic year. This is the kind of thing to write every month. So for example, you would say this is the March 2021 update. And just a single line here that you've gone through the report. So course report reviewed and updated. So updated where needed and reviewed where not needed. And you've taken some key actions and you've reflected those in the course action plan. So this is what your course action plan will look like. The key things to look at here are the deadlines. So we shouldn't be in a position where any actions have a deadline that is passed. And here, to see if actions have been completed or not. It's totally okay for actions to continue on, but then of course you need to alter the deadline so that we're reviewing them every time our deadline comes up. So one of those things might be recruitment, for example. The action may never be completed, but it might throw off some smaller actions. So it might say, for example, you might have a larger action being develop a unified recruitment strategy, but then a smaller action that would be contact Bridgend College. Okay, so when you edit your action, this is what it'll look like. What we're looking for here is for you to find the source of the evidence. Now, for a lot of it, it might be the current course action plan, or it might be the EE, or it might be loop feedback, or it might be NSS, any of those things. It's a drop-down menu. Then writing your action here. So this is the kind of thing you want to write. So you can see here in this section, we would like to see how the sources of evidence and had influenced the need to create an action. But it's a really clear action. We want something not rambling, something very precise. And then of course you enter your deadline here and your intended outcome here. So it might be make contact with Bridgend College, and your intended outcome might be to establish course links. Not difficult. Diolch.